Anything that you can walk into a place and you look at it and say, wow, that's cool, is the things we like to build.
My name is Tim Trotter. I'm the founder and president of TROCO Custom Fabricators in St. Louis, Missouri. I love working with designers and architects and building their visions. We like to do the showpiece work that really stands out.
We specialize in a lot of high-end design. We are deep into the restaurant industry, and we believe that we could provide everything that anybody needs within a restaurant industry, from a full design and build of your space to any small component that you might need.
We come to TROCO when we have a piece of the building that we know is an important piece that needs to have some really thoughtful design and needs to be executed really well.
Tim started this company with the idea that if we could communicate directly with the architects and the designers, that we could create a closer representation of what their vision was in the beginning. A lot of it gets lost for a lot of different reasons, and by working with the design team in the beginning and working with the general contractors, we are able to give them a product which is very close, if not spot on, to what they envision. We sort of bridge the gap between fabricator and architect/designer.
A good fabricator like TROCO will offer ideas that will definitely improve the technical application of the design, might improve the ease of installation and how the design or the product weathers over time, and might also decrease costs.
I can't tell you how many times, Chris will come up with something, I'm like, how did that even cross your mind? and it works,
A big part of our job is creative problem solving. We like to look at the complexities of every situation and figure out how to make that function.
I think one of TROCO's strengths is that they will understand your design intent, but they'll know the boundaries of the design. And so they won't suggest something that will change the design appearance or performance, but will make it easier to fabricate and install.
Our job is to turn that dream into a reality. Let's say you get a drawing set in and that drawing is ultra complicated or doesn't have all the answers in front of it. Most other fabrication shops would walk away. Whereas we look at it as an opportunity to work with an architect, build a relationship, and ultimately make something really, really cool.
Detailed drawings get detailed results. It's very important for my CAD department to draft everything, not only in two-dimensional drawings, but three-dimensional drawings as well, so that when it goes to production, everybody knows what's going on with the project.
Working in 3D gives us the ability to check to make sure everything works, that parts actually don't bang into each other, that bolts fit in the right holes, and we don't have any other issues elsewhere.
In the real world, nothing is perfect, especially when you're talking about construction and raw material. So having good drawings that bring in some adjustability while maintaining the design intent, that's very helpful, and that's something that we see all the time with TROCO.
We walk into design thinking, how is this going to be installed and what's the easiest way to install it? We end up receiving contracts based on that promise to our customers, and they trust us that what they pull off the truck is going to be installed quickly and efficiently.
Those guys do a really good job of understanding what the architect's trying to achieve and forming that into an installable product.
We look at every scenario, whether that's logistics or installation or site layout, which allows us to minimize the impact of labor on an entire project. Of course, it's going to take a little bit more on the front end from our team, but it gives our installers the ability to go out there, get done, and get out quick.
If your expectation is a 2-week install, we want to compress that into 2 to 3 days, and we're going to do everything we can to make that happen for you.
These guys are just easy to work with, very smart about their business, and makes for a successful project after a successful project.
We don't sit in here and make paper clips every day. One day we could be building a sculpture, one day we're skinning an entire building in a custom louvered system, and we love doing what we do. So come see us, that's it.